motherfucking switches and we gonna present it. We brought it so you can check it out, but we gonna present it when it's more proper.
Let's do it.
Yes, sir.
713, Slippery Song.
Come on, it's family time. Let's do it. Love, baby.
Where y'all from? Where y'all from?
Michigan.
Michigan, all the way from Michigan. Grand National
wheels, flat chrome, center lock, custom flares.
We pay homage heavy, bro. So everything you gonna do, I'm gonna follow behind you. So you do a bad week, look. You show me, come on. This is actually my niece.
Too easy. This the classic car family reunion right now. That's what's going on right now. That's what's going on.
You ready?
That's what's going on. Too easy. Shout out to Tyler Perry, man. This that beast right here. Y'all seen that in that film.
Only the Rick Ross Car Show. Anybody else got the beast? Right, quick picture with you, bro.
Family in the building. G-Shit, Matty Ice.
Go, big car show, Valley, baby, let's go. You know, if I had a smile like that.
We out here, baby. It's going down. There's some shit out here. Yeah, I want to go this way. I want to go this way. I want to go this way. Then we gonna come all the way back around. You heard me?
3, whatever, all that right now. Which one was it, Rose? That's 1, 2, 3.
Hey, football.
Turn it over. No! Now the best in the game on it. They know what's going on. The real West. Show me 5,000. Show me 5,000. Right here. Show me 5,000. Look right there. 5,000.
I need to meet you. Where y'all from? Thomasville, Georgia in the building. Y'all see what's going on. It's jumping now. It's jumping.
We got cilantro, lamb, lamb pop. We got bang bang chicken, bang bang shrimp, bang bang salmon. We got.
It's that. Hey, like I just said, if you done been to all 4 car shows, we business partners, man. We locked in. What's happening? What's happening?
Good, bro.
Y'all get with me on IG and on Facebook. I'm out of Michigan.
We out here, Rick Ross Car Show number 4. If you ain't here, you ain't nowhere. Y'all know what time it is. 305.
I am. I really am. Y'all see these pieces, man. Y'all at this car show. Make sure y'all pull up the real edition. You see the hustlers in the building. Make sure you at the car show. Pull up, get the real edition Rose collabs. I'm letting you know, whenever you see my brother right here, it's official. It's
real.
It's going down. For everybody that's at home watching, tap that link right here. It's a beautiful work of art right here.
When the light hits it, it actually projects with the sunlight, or at night, if you use a spotlight, it'll project your face.
Y'all can hit them on IG.
Yeah.
It's a talented. Y'all know this family right here, this #1 right here, Coleon Forge. Make sure, y'all know I'm gonna come back over here and have a party. Y'all better meet me over here about 3 p.m. I'm gonna have a party right here, Coleon Forge, baby.